everybody. My name is Teacher Bonnie. It's nice to see you. I live in Los Angeles, California. It's very hot in California and it doesn't get super cold in the winter. So I like to create winter. Here's my snowman as well as this guy. I also like to have different props like pictures and cookie jars. We have cookies and candy that we give to our friends and family. I also like to watch Christmas movies or movies about snowman and about winter. I also like to give out candy canes as rewards for my students. Something that I like to do during Christmas time is take pictures by the Christmas tree and dress up like a reindeer. It's very fun. Something else that we like to do is go on vacation. This year we went to Las Vegas, Nevada. It's very fun to go traveling and see different places while you're on vacation. I can't wait to see you in the classroom. Bye-bye!